Good morning to the students of class 6. Students, we were doing chapter 22, drawing of different geometrical figures. Now before we have learned how to draw the perpendicular on a line from a point on the line as well as from a point outside the line. And also we have learned how to draw the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment or a line segment. Now in today's class we will learn how to draw an angle or how to draw a similar angle of an angle which is already drawn. The question is question number 4, draw an angle ABC of any measure, then draw another angle equal to angle ABC only with the help of scale, pencil and compass. So for this case what you will do, you are going to first draw an angle of any measurement of your wish. Students, as I have told you before also that you are going to use 1 page for doing 1 construction, so that you get the enough space also and your work is going to look neat and clean. So this is A, B and C. Now this is the angle which you have drawn, angle ABC. Now what you will do, you are going to place the pointer of the compass at B and then draw an arc in this way so that it cuts the sides AB and BC at point E and F, right? Now you will have to draw another angle of the same measure by the question. So for that what you will do, you are going to construct, you are going to draw first the base of another angle. I am marking this point as O and here I am marking it as P. Now what you will do, you are going to take the measure BE as drawn in the previous angle. You are going to take the measure BE as drawn in the previous angle. Then place the pointer at O and cut it like this. Okay. Now you can mark this point, any point, say X. Now from X what you will do, you are going to take this measure of this previously drawn angle. You are taking this measure, that means the measurement from here to here. With the help of compass only you are going to take. Now place at X and cut an arc in this way. Now after drawing the arc, you are going to take the measurement BF with the help of compass. That means the distance BF you are taking with the help of compass. Now you place at O and cut. You are placing at O and cutting. Now you have got a particular point of intersection, then you mark this point as Y, then you join the point and extend the line, and you mark a point Q over here. So finally students, you are getting the angle QOP, which is equal to angle ABC. So you are going to write in the conclusion, angle QOP is drawn which is equal to angle ABC. So students, for this what did we do? We first drawn an angle, we first drew an angle of any measurement, then after that I have drawn the baseline of the second angle which has to be of the similar measurement of this particular previously drawn angle. Then after that you take the measurement or the same measurement as BE, you cut over here. Then you take the same measurement as BF and you cut over here. Then after that you take the arc measurement EF and then you cut. So after that you get the point of intersection, you mark this point as Y and this point as X. And then you extend the line, mark an arrow and you mark a point Q over here, and finally you are getting the angle QOP, which is of equal measure as that of angle ABC. Then after drawing the angle, you are going to write the conclusion. So students, follow the steps in the video and try to do the construction yourself, and the more you practice, the more you are going to, or you will be able to do yourself. Students, thank you all for today.